Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapWeb here, back at it with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1181 in a row. For this experiment, we're using Cash App. If you aren't familiar with this app, you can sign up with the link in the description, get $5 for free. There's also hundreds of tutorials and experiment videos on my channel, so subscribe if you're interested in that. So current Bitcoin price, $39,048, down about 1% today, down about 1% on the week as well, pretty much going sideways. A lot of up and down action this week, down 17% on the month, so not so hot on the month. We're going to take a look at some of these charts on the left here in a second. Down 29% on the year, again a lot of sideways action, so really tough to tell what's going on. We haven't done this in a while, so let's just open up this chart real quick. So we've been up in this range for a while, since the beginning of 2021, so about a year and a half now. You can see the moving averages here. The red one you like to see on top. When the red one crosses over, that's usually a bad sign. So we topped out around mid 60K range twice, came back down. You can see that we're under these moving averages on the daily, kind of under that right now. You don't want to see that. You want to get up above these moving averages so this red one can cross the green one again, and then you want to stay above this. You can see how it gets above, bounces up. That's what you want. 3 days, again, kind of down under these moving averages. Not what you like to see. The positive thing that we can see here is that we do have higher highs on these drops. These keep getting higher. So you don't want to see this come down and break below any of these previous dips here. That's probably a bad sign. So we got some kind of higher highs on this trend and the lower trend here. The 1 week chart, and if you don't know what that means, basically each one of these bars represents 1 week. And you can see these moving averages, we're still above that. So that's a good sign. You don't want to see this red one break. That's typically a really bad sign. If you see the red one break, probably going down to the green one. And I've said this a lot before, like the green one, that's the ultimate buy. It's been the ultimate buy for a long time. So yeah, not too bad, not too good. We're kind of just going sideways up here, seeing if we're able to bounce out of these zones. You know, we keep kind of coming down and testing it. But yeah, there's the quick analysis. We'll get back into some of this other stuff over here in a second. Let's see if we have any news today. Bitcoin disappoints on bull run as Amazon sees biggest one-day drop since 2014. I don't know what that means. I don't know why they're comparing Bitcoin to Amazon, but First Mover America's Bitcoin down as market braces for 50 BPS Fed rate. Labor Department has grave concerns over Fidelity's 401k Bitcoin plans. Bitcoin price slow to react as US dollar rally stops at 20-year highs. Same thing about Fidelity. Bitcoin speaks to the human condition. That might be an interesting one to read, but I want to keep it quick today so you guys can go in there and read that yourself if you're interested. Bitcoin owned 0.09530594. We're slowly adding to our balance here. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy. Tap $1. Tap next. Scan my face. Going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we have purchased $1 more Bitcoin. Tap done. Let's scroll down here. My new balance is 0.0953382. Let's go ahead and do the math on this and see how we're doing. $3,716 divided by 1,181 days equals a 3.14x on my investment. What that means, every dollar that I've put into this experiment, now I have $3.14. We'll go ahead and do the dollar gain. $3,716 minus 1,181 days equals a $2,535 gain. Love to see it doing well. I'm very happy with these results and looking forward to continuing on with this experiment. Hopefully we can see a bounce here and some upside movement for Bitcoin and crypto markets soon. If not, you know, I'm a big believer in these assets and I'll be buying the dip for sure. Real quick, Synchronauts, they're in the testing phase of their NFT market launch. 777 Synchronauts, floor price is 0.8. They go up pretty quick if you're to buy one here. Looks like we have handful of them around the 1 ETH range. And if you own one of these NFTs, you'll have ownership and say voting power in the DAO and in the marketplace and future DeFi and NFT products that they build. You'll also be able to earn from the success of the marketplace. How these NFT marketplaces work: whenever there's a transaction, a fee goes to the collection and a fee goes to the marketplace itself. Yeah, so I'm excited about this. Like I said, they're in the testing phase of the marketplace. They're gonna do like a kind of like a beta slow rollout for the people that are interested off the bat, and then they're gonna do like a full force launch probably about a month down the line after the beta when it's ready. So yeah, there's that. Real quick, Pokemon card I'm getting back. Got the Charizard first edition Shadowless. This was a PSA 2. I sent it into PSA to get recased. I just wanted to get authentic on it rather than a grade. Didn't really matter. I like this one. I like the colors on it, so I'll probably hold on to it. They did kind of, I don't know, they kind of like chipped it there. What are you gonna do? That'll do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.